Hi, all I'm going to show you how to make peppermint bark. All you need is about a pound and a half of bittersweet chocolate. I chose Ghirardelli, about 8 candy canes broken up in little pieces, and the pure peppermint you're going to need about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half. I just put them in a bag, crunched up the candy canes, and I made a double boiler. To make a double boiler, you have one pot over another pot. This pot has water. You heat it up. Chocolates are in and they're slowly going to melt, and this way you're not going to burn the chocolate like you would in the microwave. This is about, I would say about 10 minutes later, and it's all smooth. You don't have to keep on stirring it. You just kind of stir it once or twice. And now that's perfect. I'm going to turn off the double boiler. And you can use the water, repurpose it, cook some pasta or whatever. And I'm going to take the chocolate off. I lined a 9 by, like a cookie sheet and with parchment paper, and I'm going to pour the chocolate into there. First, I'm going to put the mint extract in it. So I poured the chocolate with the mint extract, and then I put the crumbles of the peppermint sticks on top. I got the peppermint powder by putting the candy canes inside and just going to town with it with a wine bottle. You could use like a rolling pin. Now it's been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and it is completely solid. And the fun part begins. We're going to break them up into little pieces. I just broke off a little piece for you guys to see, and so I could eat it. This is enough to make enough gifts for about 3 families. So I broke it up to pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to give this away as a gift to a neighbor. So I picked up a tin for 99 cents at Goodwill. And it's like a really nice like vintage Mickey Mouse tin. I'm using burlap ribbon for the inside instead of tissue paper to give it a more like homey theme. So all you have to do is just kind of stick it in and then put the top on. You can make this like a week in advance to be giving it away. And I think the final cost I figured out to me making this bark was about $5, and to be giving away as gifts. Make sure you like go to Goodwill and get a really cool tin. And I'm going to show you the finished product in a second, but make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope this helped you out. If you want more holiday food videos, just let me know, and I'm happy to make them. Make sure to check out my website, budgetsavvydiva.com. Just put the lid on, and you are done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye until next time, guys. Perfect.
Stockings are hung, the songs have been sung, so close your eyes. We've seen all the signs.